So you're at the job site, boss is like, move the Bobcat. I don't know how to move the Bobcat. This is how you move the Bobcat. All right, we're gonna start it like from off. We're off. The Bobcat is completely off. What are we gonna do? We're gonna flip the switch on. Okay, Bobcat, you're on. Switch is on. So you got a couple buttons here. First thing first, you gotta put this thing on or else it won't even operate. Okay, once you got that on, you press the start button, which is this one. Now you're starting. Now the machine is working, okay? But you're like, hey, I'm using the controllers. It's not moving. It's making noises. It's not moving. Okay, because first you have it in park. So we're gonna take it out of park in order for us just to move. So this is what's gonna move the whole Jimmy Jammer. So if you go right, it's gonna move right. You go left, it's gonna move left, forward, right? You go back, it's gonna move back. Pretty simple instructions. Whichever way you point it in is where it's gonna move at, right? And you could even reverse on the angle, right? Bring it on the angle you want, reverse, boom. But now you're like, hey, I'm trying to move the bucket. The bucket's not working. Oh, what's going on? So now you gotta lock the bucket. Lock the button, this green button here. Boom. Now the bucket's ready to use. This is very simple to use. We're gonna go like this. Look at the control and look at the bucket. If I tilt it to the left, it's gonna go up. If I tilt it to the right, it's gonna go down. If I tilt it back, it's gonna bring it up, right? So I'm gonna tilt it all the way down, tilt it back all the way up by bringing it to the left, right? Moving it forward brings it down, moving it backward brings it up. But you see how much power this thing has? You gotta be careful, especially on the job site. So you're gonna move it very slow, right? And then when we're flipping our bucket, unless you're a professional, you get comfortable, but when you're stepping in this, you gotta move this very slow. Move the joystick, it has a you move it, look, it'll jerk. And that, you don't wanna be jerking. You can definitely damage the equipment by jerking it like that, so we're gonna go soft and smooth movements will get it there. Get the job done. Once you get confident, you bring it down, set the bucket down, boom, and you're done. So this moves the bucket, this moves the operator, and only you move yourself. So get out there and get it, get after it.